we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words in English. In British English, because the American pronunciation is slightly different, in British English this is said as transgender, transgender. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as transgender, transgender in American English versus transgender in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.